Hi everyone. Welcome to the official walkthrough of the 2025 Standardized Pharmacy Billing Report template developed by BC Renal to support consistent and accurate billing across our pharmacy network. This updated template was created to bring our pharmacies up to date in the current standards of information management and to meet BC Renal's reporting requirements. It is designed to simplify the billing process, reduce errors, and ensure consistency across our pharmacy network. This guide is intended for all contracted pharmacy partners responsible for submitting monthly claims for renal medications, nutritional supplements, and delivery fees. As a quick note, we will be using version 1.5 of our template for today's overview. We'll walk through each required tab in the order of which you'll use, highlighting key input fields which are auto-calculated and important reminders to ensure error-free submissions. With that said, let's begin. So, the first tab you see here is the Instructions tab. It provides a high-level overview of the billing process. These are just the quick simplified instructions here for you to overview. Next, we will go into the Invoice Form tab. The values on this form are auto-populated as you fill out details in the tabs as per the instructions. As an important reminder here, these fields here have fixed Excel formulas that are locked to ensure consistent and accurate info for our finance team. So, unfortunately, we will not be able to share an unlocked version. If you have any questions or concerns on the invoice form, please reach out to our contracts team. The Invoice tab is the final summary page for all the formal invoice submissions. Only the pharmacy info and highlighted yellow cells need to be filled out, so just these ones here in the top half of the sheet. Continuing down, this page summarizes the subtotals for drugs, nutritional supplements, and our delivery fees. All the financial values including subtotals, service fees, and delivery charges should automatically be populated based on the entries in the workbook tabs. Always please ensure that the auto-generated totals match your internal records prior to submission. Next, we'll be moving on to the Drugs tab. In here we will enter all eligible renal formulary drug claims. Please input all claims in the corresponding fields. For the patient's name, please use first and last name format. Please enter the markup fee if applicable and contracted drug dispensing fee as well. Essentially, these will all just need to be input in and everything should auto-populate into our Invoice Form tab. Once you have input all the relevant renal claims, the invoice form will start to auto-calculate the totals for you. Next, we'll go over the Formulary and Nutritional Supplements tab. This tab captures formulary-approved nutritional supplements as per the Nutritional Supplement Policy list. Let me pull up the policy to refresh your memory. Please take note of this page. Nutritional supplements here are found on our website under Pharmacy and Formulary at the bottom of the page. This is what the policy looks like. Your team should be familiar with this, and you should also see if you scroll to the bottom the Nutritional Supplement Formulary. Your team should receive these product orders via fax to your pharmacy from our dietitians. Back to our Formulary Nutritional Supplement tab, we do the same thing here. Enter all the dates and information required. Regarding the Notes column, if necessary, please note down any important relevant info in this column. You can find all the links to our formulary at the bottom of this video in our description below. As a note, please also ensure only one service fee is applied per dietitian's order form, and it is not applied per product. If you have any questions, please reach out to our contracts team for further assistance. So moving on to the Special Nutritional Supplements tab, please use this tab specifically for special approved non-formulary nutritional supplements. This tab should only be used if prior approval for the supplement was obtained from the renal dietitian if applicable. Your pharmacy should receive this special order form from BCR Contracts or the ordering dietitian. Please ensure your team has regularly reviewed our ONS ordering procedures prior to ordering. You can find a link to the process in our description below. This should be filled out by the requesting dietitian. These do have approval expiries, so please ensure that it is valid and confirmed. Going back to our sheet here, very similar to our previous tab. Just enter all the information under the headers that's needed in here and any notes for clarification. At the top, as per the last tab, it auto-populates the fees. Moving on, the next section here is the Delivery Fees for Drugs tab. A quick reminder that BC Renal expects all partner pharmacies to optimize delivery of nutritional supplements with medications whenever possible. Please enter the date on the delivery receipt. Let's say the medication was delivered January 1st, 2025. We will go ahead and enter that. Next, we will enter the delivery fee. Delivery fees may vary across pharmacies, depending on contract terms with BC Renal. If applicable, please enter any delivery GST here. As a note, GST is set at 5%. Moving on to the next section, the delivery fee for the nutritional supplements. Similar to the prior tab, enter all information here for the nutritional supplements deliveries. Please keep in mind only one delivery fee can be claimed if delivered with the medications. All nutritional supplements that are delivered with drugs are not eligible for an additional delivery fee. Please see disclaimer within the sheet. If we're combining deliveries for both, then the delivery fee would be only added for the drugs. The required fields here are the receipt dates, delivery fee, GST, and receipt total. This is the same as the prior tab. After completing and reviewing all these tabs, revisit the invoice form tab to ensure that the totals populate and match up. Please also check that all patient information is correct, the totals match your internal records, and charges are accurately categorized in their respective tabs. Please remember to save a password encrypted version and title it with your pharmacy name and invoicing month and year. After we're done saving it, we would email it to our finance team. Please ensure that you send it encrypted or the password version to our team. Your pharmacy should have a password already in use, so please keep it the same and send it to our finance team. If anything is unclear or you encounter issues, please contact us at our contract's email address for assistance. This concludes our billing template video guide. Thank you very much for reviewing this training with us. Your attention to detail ensures accurate billing and supports BC Renal's information management standards and reporting requirements. We understand that each renal pharmacy may use various software systems, which may require a tailored response from our team. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or require assistance on using this invoice billing template. Our email is at the bottom of this video in the description below. We appreciate your dedication and commitment to serving British Columbia's kidney patients. We greatly value our partnership. Thank you very much for your time.